Hi kids! Today we're going to animate a flying birdie. For that you need a piece of paper that you can fold into half and form a rectangle shape, and a pencil. So let's go! First I'm going to draw on the inside of my paper. So I'm going to outline the bird. And then we're going to color the bird with markers. We can use any markers, color pencils, or even paint. I'm just quickly gonna color it with a marker so that you can see, and maybe give it a different color for the beak. Then I'm going to outline with a black marker or a pointer so that it's easier for you to trace on the outside of the paper. With the help of a light source, I'm going to trace the other action on the outside of the paper so you can see the bird fly. We're going to draw it with a pencil, then color it with the markers just as we did the bird before on the inside. And then outline with a marker or a pointer. Once we're done, we're going to take a pencil, roll this up, maybe use some glue, and that's about it. And here you have the flying birdie. Tweet, 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 tweet. Cool, huh?